Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech-Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you how to make a word cloud. Like if you are making a website or a project or a word cloud, you have mostly seen the word cloud in the websites or articles. It's a lot of words in the text and all of kinds of. In this video, I will tell you a trick how to create a word cloud. Okay, now without wasting time, let's begin. First, you have to open MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. It will be there in your system. Just go on the start menu and type PowerPoint. If it is not there, it is paid. So in the different video, I will tell you how to download it. So click on blank presentation. First open it and click on blank presentation. Then now you have to add in this. So for adding that, click on insert, then go on get add-ins, and here type pro word cloud. Pro word cloud. Now search this. Now in the top it will give pro word cloud. Click on add, and in this process your computer should be connected from the internet. Okay, just connected from the internet, and if it's connected, just do the process. Now click on continue. Now it will take some time. Let's wait. Yes, the add-in has added. Like I reopen the PowerPoint and I want my add-in to be here. So I will go on insert, then my add-ins, then Pro Word Cloud, then add. Okay, it will come then. Now I will tell you how to create the word cloud. Now you have to first have the text. Like I have this I have this text. You can take any text that you want. Like for demo I am showing this text. Okay, I am showing this text. Now for making a word cloud, just click on the cursor and control A. Just select all the text. Okay, and then here in the pro word cloud, select the font which you want. Like if I want the font gunplay, click on gunplay. Then the colors. Now I will take like dark city. Okay, I will take dark city. Now the layout. There are lots of layouts: horizontal, mostly horizontal, vertical, mostly vertical, half and half, and this one. Now I wanted mostly horizontal only, and in this case you have to do nothing. Just go down and here max words. Like I will do max words 1000 I will do. It depends on you. Now the size. What size? Like size I will take the default only. Then click on create word cloud. Now it's done. See, here is the word cloud. Like if you don't like it, so you can regenerate also. Like if I want to change the font here, I will change the font, and I want the different colors combination, so I will take different combination. Okay, then I want like layout vertical, and the max words you can all change it. Then recreate word cloud. Now see, it's recreate the word cloud. Now if you want to save this word cloud in your computer, just drag it. Just click on it and drag it here, and just drag it here. Here you can drag it. Like I can also right click, go here on the word cloud and right click, then save image as. Okay, now you can save it anywhere. Like I will go on desktop, then save, then wait for some time. It will take some time. Yes, it's downloaded. Wait for some time. Then you have to close this window and click on don't save. Now your word cloud is created. Where you save. See, this is the word cloud. So this was the amazing trick I wanted to share with you. So have a great day.